और बिस्मिल्लाह आप लोग चलें, इसके $2 बिलियन लगवा के उसमें स्टॉक्स में बगैर मेरी इजाज़त के इसने धंधे किए हैं। मुझे पूछ लेता भाई, अच्छा दोस्त हूँ मैं इसका, कम से कम एडवाइस ले लेता। भाई जिस चीज़ को मैं हाथ नहीं लगा सकता, जिसको मैं फील नहीं कर सकता, उसको खरीदूँगा क्यों? 50 मेरे पास ऐसी स्कीमें आती हैं बिकॉज वो गूगल पे किसी ने कहा हुआ है कि आई एम वर्थ बिलियंस। तो मैं सबको कहता हूँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मौला का करम है। Why should I deny it? Because denying doesn't help. I keep trying to deny it, but they won't believe it. So who cares? They can accept what they want. So they would come to me. And this, that, and this offer, and this, return, as thank you very much. What I can't touch, me not buy, me not take. If I have to touch it, see it, possess it. So I do business. I can't live without business because there are two kind of people in this country. One who know how to make money and one who know how to earn money. I'm on the second grade. I earn money. I don't make money. I earn money by my own concepts, by my own businesses, and it's not so difficult. Everybody knows each other. We know each other a long time. So anybody from Karachi knows me. Everybody from Punjab knows you all. So we are all in the same plate. And I totally agree with you. I was astonished to hear, lately I've started watching TikTok. तो उसमें एक इंडियन जर्नलिस्ट फरमा रहे थे, I know he's a raw agent, he's a major from the army, then into journalism. So one knows where they're coming from. I'm a politician too. So he said, भंड मारा है जरदारी साहब ने $100 बिलियन का के। तो ये भंड नहीं है, ये हकीकत है। इंशाल्लाह होगा और आप करेंगे। हमारी सिर्फ आपके साथ दुआएं भी होगी और स्ट्रगल भी। हम आपके साथ हर काम करने के लिए तैयार हैं। I'm not asking you to come to Sindh and put up your industries. Put them up here where you are because you're already comfortable here. Why would I take you out of here and tell you कि वहाँ में आपको सस्ता? But inshallah we will get the pipeline. Now that the Saudis and the Iranians are getting together, there is no reason for you not to get that pipeline. And मैंने border तक बनाई हुई है. Till the Irani border, the pipeline is there. It just has to be connected to your own pipeline, which is not more than 40-50 miles. So that is a big hope for Pakistan. Then border, say, LPG is a big hope, which is cheaper than the world. $6.